Dalawang 21 ng ano?
Sabay ng New Star.
New Star.
Ay, 71 ba?
71 ba yung ano? Sorry.
Para kasing 21 eh.
Yeah, sorry. 21 yung ano, yung pound.
Rada. Ganda na paso sa big man. Umatake, wala. Dora. Ganda ng paso sa ilalim. Connect to 2 points by number 71. Pass. Ramos saying the play. 13 to shoot. Amolo, matake. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Belo. Binigay kay number 12. Papapil away. Connect to 2 points by Echo. 11-2. Official score. Ramos zigzagging move. Pero may foul. Talikod na po. Foul on jersey number 1. Hacking foul. Jersey number 1. Belo first personal foul. Second team foul.
Coach na bala dyan.
Tolonia setting the play. Binigay kay jersey number 28 for the parking lot. In and out. Ramos. Jelly move. Wala. About the jersey number 21. Offensive foul by jersey number 21. Jersey number 1. Rosales. Second personal foul. Substitution red.
Sige. Basket lang ka.
Basket foul for jersey numbers 71.
Sino ang nakatulog?
Si Cacho. Bonus shot by Cacho. Rata, binigay kay Marin. Wala pa rin. Marin again. Wala pa rin ang putbang niya. Binigay kay jersey number 12. Eko. Binigay kay Paes. Wala. Now jersey number 26. Nagbababa ng bola. Number 26. Side step, wala. Nakuha ni Belo. Ang ganda ng pasahan. Connect for 2 points by Echo. Official score, 13-4. Number 26 looking for his teammates. Anas by Echo, binigay kay Ramos. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nice defense by Goray. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. Nice defense by Goray. Belo. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Belo. Zigzagging move. Kick out. Kay number 25. Binigay kay Ego. 15 to shoot. Pass. Binigay kay number 25 for the parking lot. Wala. Goray on the rebound. 10 to shoot. Belo for the parking lot. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Paes. Kick out kay Ego. Umatake sa gitna. Wala. Rebound ni jersey number 28. Rata. Number 26 is the Belo. Belo. Connect for 2 points by Belo. Pisa score 15-4.
Pwede.
Timeout. 6 here. Amolo setting the play. Bigay kay number 26, back to Amolo. Marin for the parking lot. Wala. Number 26 po back, connect for 2 points by number 26. Belo for the parking lot. Wala. Nakuha ni Paes. Wala. Okay, bola po ng Shinche. 4 minutes, 3 seconds. Oras natin. Ang bolo, ang magkiti mo. Haras by Belo. Setting the play. Ang ganda ng screen. Ganda ng ulog sa ilalim. In and out. Number 17 again. Stepping violation. Substitution rin. Marin out. Cabral. Pasok. Saulot ka pala sa score pa natin. Little Tabs.
Makapag-start sa dambak ko. Kulang daw.
Grabe ng violation. May referee na idol. Hindi yan nari kay referee na idol.
Kulang. Hindi naman mag-ano.
Amolo. Binigay kay number 26. Talona. Grabe ng violation yan. Mga idol. Bola muna po. Ang ibaba nun. Bago ihakbang yung paa. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. Oras na rin. Number 124. Ganda ng pasa nun. 1124. Nice pass. Cabral, ang magkiki mo. Naras by Paes. Cabral, lumatake. Binigay kay Amolo. For the parking lot. In and out. Number 28. Put back. Pero may foul. Foul on jersey number 9. Penalty. Substitution rin. Penalty. Go right first personal foul. Penalty.
Uy, mayaman, maraming bola. Andun sa kabila.
Solis.
First throw, in and out. Second throw, connect. One, 1-2-4, setting the play. Binigay number 25, back to 1-1-2-4. Binigay kay Belo for the parking lot. Belo for the win. Pumapagana po mga kaibigan ng Alamangan. Nice defense by Belo. Belo, papapin away. In and out, napalakas. Paes. May foul. Foul on jersey number 11. Amolo, first personal foul, second team foul. First throw, connect.
Pwede.
Substitution rep. Number 1 out. Tawagan na po, sasama natin. Number 26, binigay kay Cabral. Number 26. Traveling violation. Substitution rep. 26 out. Number 9, pasok. One wonder po, binigay kay number 23. Halas by number 17. Ang ganda ng depensa. Amolo. Binigay kay jersey number 9. Number 28, tumira. In and out. Number 17 na rebound. Wala pa rin. Number 20, binigay kay 1124. 1124. Uwara mo kay 1124. In and out. Nakuha ni Amolo. Amolo ngayon ang bababa. Binigay kay jersey number 9. Napapilaway. Wala pa rin. Foul on jersey number 23. Penalty. Penalty.
Hindi ka dito.
Coach, Old Cool Sport, warning po tayo warning po sa New Star.
Daan mo na kayo dito. Huwag na kayo pumasok agad, Dan. Pag may isang daan dito.
First show, in and out.
Coach, pag may para sa'yo.
Basket. Oras natin. 1 minute and 25 to the first period. Cabral, bigay kay Amolo for the parking lot. In and out. Number 28 put back in it for 2 points. Last 52 seconds. Number 23. Basket. Foul on jersey number 9. First personal foul. Third team foul. Basket out for jersey number 23. Bonus shot. Connect. Na-kompleto ni Ilo 23. Last 40 seconds. Amolo. Setting the play. Last 33 seconds. Jersey number 9. For the win. Gumaganda na po. Nice defense by jersey number 9. Line ball. Last 23 seconds for the first period. Ubang, ang kadalang bola. Last 20 seconds. 18 to shoot. Number 25. Nice defense by Cabral. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 9 seconds na lang po yan. 10 seconds. Go ball. Last 3 seconds. 3 segundo. And at the first period. Okay, score natin 25-13 in favor